Welcome back everyone. In today's video, we'll learn about one of the most fundamental concepts in SQL, the inner join. Whether you're combining data from multiple tables or just getting started with relational databases, mastering the inner join is essential. So what are joins? In SQL, joins are operations that allow you to combine data from two or more tables based on a related column between them. An inner join in SQL is a type of join that returns only the rows from two or more tables, where there is a match based on a related column between the tables. It is one of the most commonly used joins in SQL and is essential for combining data from multiple tables in a relational database. Now, let's look at an example to understand it better. In this example, you can see that there are two tables, employees and departments. The employee table has the following column: employee ID, name, department ID. And the department table has the following columns: department ID and department name. Now, if you want to perform an inner join on both of these tables, you have to first find that which column is common in both of them. You can see that both the tables share the department ID column. Now, in the resultant set, you can see that the inner join operation matches rows from both the tables based on a specific condition. The condition here is that department ID of employees should match with department IDs of departments. And you can see that it returns only the rows where there is a match in both tables involved in the join. If there is no match, the rows are not included in the result set. Like you can see that in the table employees, you have department 1, 2 and 1. Department ID number 3 is not present. So you can see that department ID 3 is not present in the resultant set. For department 1, you have department 1 here as well. So you get the entire row. For the second one as well, for department 2, you can see that you get the entire row. For employee ID 3, you can see that there is department 1 assigned to that person. So you get the department 1, that is HR, assigned to that person. But since department 3 is not present in employees table, this row is not included in the final table. There are a few key points you should remember. It always matches rows based on a condition, and it returns only matching rows. And you can combine multiple data using the inner join. So that's all for this video. In the next video, we will see how to use the inner join in an SQL query. Until next time, see you.